Hello everyone and welcome back with Deepak English. Today I am going to discuss some advanced idioms. You have probably heard about of idioms, but people are unaware of how widespread and vital idioms are in their own language. We must understand the significance of idioms. So through this video I am going to explain advanced idioms with example which will be cherry on the cake in your communication. So you see that here I have used one idiom, that is cherry on the cake. This is one of the most used idioms in our communication. So without much ado, let's get started. Number one idiom is on thin ice. This is used when you say that someone is on thin ice. You mean that they are doing something risky which may have serious or unpleasant result. Let's see the example. If you do not focus on your job, you will be on thin ice. So here, somebody is not focusing on his job. So soon, he or she will be in such a situation that the chances will be really fat that he or she will not able to get anything what he has thought. I hope that you understand this. Number two is back on your feet. This idiom has two or three meaning. First, this is used in good health, again after a period of injury or illness. Let's see the example. He met with serious accident, but the doctor assured that he would back on his feet soon. Second use of back on your feet, which means that something which is no longer in a serious or someone in serious financial situation. Let's see the example. I am getting back on my feet after getting promotion. So let's see in this example that someone who was not expecting his promotion and all of a sudden he has got promotion. So he is back on his feet. Next idiom is never in a million years. This is used as a strong way of saying that something is unlikely or impossible when someone is so sure that something will never happen. Let's see the example. It will never happen in a million years. If it does, I will accept my defeat. Next idiom is just around the corner. It means that something which is not far away or going to happen soon. Let's see the example. The shop is not far away. It's just around the corner. Next idiom is chop chop. This is used to tell someone to hurry when you really want to say something to someone that they should do something quickly without wasting time. So this idiom is used over there. Let's see the example. Why don't you do it chop chop? We haven't got much time. Let's move on to next idiom, that is back to square one. This is used back to where one started with no progress having been made. It means जहाँ से जिसने कुछ शुरू किया फिर वहीं से आप उसी एक सिचुएशन में पहुँच जाते हैं, then this is used over there. Let's see the example. We are back to square one. Think something, otherwise we will lose everything. Next idiom is seize the day. This is really meaningful. You must focus on this. This is used for advising someone to do what they want and not to worry about future. Let's see the example. You need to recognize the opportunities. So just let's seize the day. The next idiom is hit the roof. This is used for showing extreme anger by shouting at someone when someone is extremely angry or furious at someone or at something. So we use this idiom over there. Let's see the example. Police hit the roof when thief got away from their grip. The next idiom is hit the books. This is really something interesting. It means that to begin to study in a serious and confident way. Let's see the example. It is time to hit the books. Our next idiom is throw in the towel. It means that when someone stops trying because they realize that they cannot succeed or somebody cannot succeed, so they stop trying actually. So let's see the example. When my friend refused to help, I threw in the towel. So learn the magic of idioms and bring it into your conversation. What I feel personally that idioms are the backbone of our language. The more you use it, the more you will see a great change in speaking. When what it's all about is speaking, but you will have to be persistent and consistent. Moreover, you need to be devoted and committed, because devotion and commitment, these are the two words which are really vital to achieve anything in life. So when it comes to speaking, you will have to ask yourself, you will have to commit to those things what exactly you are trying to get in your life. And These idioms definitely will improve your conversation, and these idioms will improve your speaking. So just say to it yourself, yes, I can speak better, I can write better, and I can, speak like nobody business. With this commitment, I think you can do the incredible things. So now it's time to sign off, and I'll be back with new lesson. Thank you so much for being with me on this video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.